The problem with conventional creams and lotions is you're really not quite sure what you're getting. Oftentimes there'll be many ingredients that are moisturizing the skin, but once that moisture component goes away, the other ingredients will help dry the skin. A typical lotion is kind of like putting sludge over the entire area. Those natural oils are there for a purpose. Not only do they help protect the skin, but they help keep the moisture in.
It bonds with the outermost layer of skin cells. It's actually the dead skin cell layer, and it turns it into what works a bit like an invisible glove. It harnesses the body's mechanism for moisturizing simply by retaining the elements that the body creates to produce moisture. Traditional moisturizing lotion will deliver moisture in an artificial sense. So with a shielding lotion, it's a whole different concept.
It actually is a savior in most of those situations. As a holistic dermatologist, what really works best for helping dry skin is your own natural oils. The key is to help keep your own natural oils in place so they can do their own healing. It forms a natural, invisible shield, and your own natural oils are left there to do their job.